In this guide, you'll learn how to create a reusable workflow template in CoreXBiz for production and order fulfillment. Workflow Builder defines reusable production stages for your catalog. Each template describes the ordered steps your team follows, from order intake through completion. Open the Workflow Builder tab in CoreX Products. This library holds every workflow template you can assign to products. Click Add New Workflow to create a reusable template. Templates can be linked to multiple products and drive team tasks on orders. Name the workflow so your team recognizes its purpose. A clear name helps when assigning templates to products and reviewing orders in production. Add work stages in the order work should happen. Each stage represents a production step. For example, pre-press, printing, finishing, or shipping. Stages run top to bottom on orders. Adding more stages lets you break complex jobs into trackable steps for your team and for customer updates. Set the workflow to active, then save. Active templates can be assigned to products and automatically create ordered work stages when orders are placed. Close the editor to see your template in the library with its stage sequence. From here, you can assign it to products or refine stages as your process evolves.